The sun-drenched landscapes of Morocco, from the bustling Medinas of Marrakesh to the majestic Atlas Mountains, are on the cusp of a transportation revolution. Electric cars, once a novelty, are poised to become a familiar sight on Moroccan roads. This shift towards electric mobility promises a cleaner, more sustainable future for the nation. The transition to electric vehicles aligns with Morocco's ambitious renewable energy goals and its commitment to combating climate change. As the global community seeks solutions to reduce carbon emissions, Morocco is positioning itself as a leader in sustainable transportation in Africa. The journey towards widespread electric car adoption is filled with challenges, but the potential rewards are immense. Morocco's current transportation system relies heavily on fossil fuels, contributing to air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. The reliance on imported oil creates economic vulnerability. The need for change is clear. One of the most significant challenges is the lack of widespread charging infrastructure. Electric car owners need convenient and accessible charging stations to make long journeys and integrate electric vehicles into their daily lives. Affordability is another barrier. Electric cars are currently more expensive than traditional gasoline-powered vehicles, making them inaccessible to many Moroccans. Public perception also plays a crucial role. Many Moroccans are unfamiliar with electric vehicles and may have concerns about their reliability, range, and safety. Overcoming these misconceptions and building public trust in electric car technology is essential. The Moroccan government has recognized the transformative potential of electric vehicles and has taken proactive steps to encourage their adoption. The development of a national electric vehicle strategy outlines a roadmap for the future. A key element of this strategy is incentivizing the purchase of electric vehicles through subsidies and tax breaks. Investment in charging infrastructure is also a top priority. The government is collaborating with private companies to install charging stations in strategic locations across the country, ensuring that electric car owners can travel with confidence. Public awareness campaigns are being launched to educate the public about the benefits of electric vehicles. These campaigns address concerns about range, charging time, and safety, while highlighting the environmental and economic advantages of making the switch. Morocco is also home to a growing number of startups and innovators developing electric vehicle technologies and solutions. The transition to electric cars promises a multitude of benefits for Morocco. Reduced air pollution will lead to cleaner air in cities, improving public health and quality of life. The dependence on imported fossil fuels will decrease, enhancing energy security and boosting the domestic renewable energy sector. The creation of green jobs in the electric vehicle industry will stimulate economic growth and innovation. Morocco has the opportunity to become a hub for electric vehicle manufacturing and technology in Africa. As electric cars become more prevalent on Moroccan roads, they will serve as a visible symbol of the nation's commitment to a sustainable future. The journey towards widespread electric car adoption requires a collective effort from the government, the private sector, and the public. By embracing this change, Morocco can pave the way for a brighter, greener, and more prosperous future for generations to come.